Here's my collection of case backhoes. This one here is a 580D made by Conrad. It's 135 scale. I have to say pretty well detailed for the size of the machine. I would say overall it's about 7.5 to 8 inches long with the arm extended out. I want to say it's a mid to late 70s year. Pretty neat detail. The glass is kind of dirty. This is an older machine that came out a while back, but you know, pretty neat machine. Stabilizer sometimes will hold the weight of the machine up. This is not the Extend-A-Hoe version, as you can just see right there. Overall, a really neat machine. Here's the same machine, fully extended out some. Then I've also got the 580C made, I believe it's by Conrad also, or is this NGZ 135 scale. If I didn't say before, this is the 580C series. Same detail as the 580D, except for this one does not have the glass in it. A little better view of the controls inside. Dual pistons for the raising of the arm. Posable bucket. And then these are some of the newer case backhoes. These are by Ertl. These are the 580K Construction Kings. Pretty nice detailed. I have to say, I think I like the Conrad and NGZ a little bit better than Ertl, but I really can't complain with this one here. Actually, I've got 3 of them in my collection. Was able to find them and purchase them all at one time from the same person, so I was able to get a heck of a good deal. And then back here, this one is in really rough shape. This one was just pretty much given to me because it was it's in rough shape, as you can see. The hose falling off the back, missing a wheel, but for free, really can't complain, you know. As you can see on this one here, this is kind of why I purchased it. You can see the the motor inside there, but the other models are enclosed, but except for the other 580C that I showed earlier. But you can never have enough toys.